I want to run for Prime Minister of Canada. I'd like to be the Premier of Quebec, of my province. Do I actually need to know everything that's going on? No. People will come. I don't know how it works. Do I really need to know how it works? Unless all we really need is someone to decide, someone with a good enough brain to decide. People will say, don't do this and don't do that. But you know what the end result is? The end result is, for 50 years that I'm on this planet, I haven't seen anything really come out properly. I know I'll make some bad decisions, but I know I'll excite more people than anything else. I know I will excite more people than anything else. You see, I strongly believe, and I read, and I was reading an article right now. Abortions have killed 501,000 in the last year because they made a pro-choice. Heart disease, 282,000. Obesity, you choose to overeat. You don't go to jail for overeating, but gun control, murder by a gun, 5,276. And out of the 5,276, a lot of them are setups. Kidney failure, blood infection, diabetes, alcohol has killed 45,000. Not only 45,000, but how many has it killed in the alter state? You see, we're not running things properly. We're running things based on money, satisfaction and money. The oil companies, how many fish have they killed? How much stress has it caused people to go on medication? Stress causing people to go on medication, and then they die from stroke or heart failure, associated infections from multiple diseases that come in through medications. Because medications, do you know how much medication they gave me? 1,500 Seroquel. They gave me 1,200 of lithium. And today, do I have to tell you what I'm on today? I'm on only on the after effects, 10 grams, only the 10 milligrams or whatever it is, just to get myself to bed on Seroquel, nothing else. Now, some people can say, and even close people say, you're not fit to do this. People say it that I'm right next to, right? But they don't have an open mind. Does anybody really know what it means to have an open mind? Do you? I want to become Prime Minister. I still see in the leases, a few people that I know, in a lot of the province out here, people are don't smoke marijuana in the building, but I have to smell the stink of cigarettes. They have bars, and you can't smoke in bars and restaurants. Well, why don't they open up bars and restaurants where people want smoking? If they can handle it and they don't care about the disease or whatever else it brings, let them smoke. How much can we retard people? Do you know what it means to retard? To stop people. Are you going to stop everybody for speeding? Where speeding kills, right? Inside this thing for people, causes of death in the US in 2016, I don't see anything to do with drunk driving, 15,000. But what about no drunk driving that is also killed, right? What's going on out there? It's all about control. I don't want to go to be Prime Minister to make money. I want to make people happy. 80 years we're going to live on this planet. We have chemtrails in the sky. How many people will take me seriously? And who the hell am I? Because I want to be more than I am right now. Because I'd like to sit up there. If you could make me Prime Minister or Premier of Quebec, of my province, I will start that. You know what? But my life would be in danger because I'm going to make changes. I will take... Okay, I'll pay you. You want money from my government? I'll pay you to put fluoride in your own water. Okay, first, I'll pay you. Okay, I'll take the internet, and before you get on the internet, if you have a driver's license, right, I'll make you every single year answer 5 or 6 questions a year. When it's time to renew your driver's license, within a month, within 2 or 3 months prior, you'll have to answer 5 or 6 questions just so you can reflect on the truth. Driving and speeding down these streets, just so you can see pharmacies. Do we have to always make money? Because are we really making money? We manufacture it to pass money out, have interest, that people pay interest. Do we need all these medications? Do you read up on how many side effects if the person doesn't take it? The doctors are selling these medications into the people's minds, and the people aren't even paying for most of it. We have a set rate for our medication costs in most cases, but we're being sold on this. Medical marijuana, Granny's Kitchen, foods that we eat will save more lives than the medication that we give out. We don't explain things properly. If somebody croaks and dies, they croak and die. What the hell do you want to do? Yeah, I'm pissed. I'm mad and I'm pissed at what's going on. Fluoride, chemtrails, vaccines. Tomorrow I get in there, I stop all these chemtrails. I stop these chemtrails, 1, 2, 3. How many people are out of jobs? How many people are out of jobs if I stop these chemtrails? What if I stop in one area, I'll start in another area? Wouldn't we like these husband and wives to stay home with each other? Everybody's going to get money from here or there. How much money is actually stored away in the stock market that's not even used? And we need money. How much do we actually waste that goes into dump tomorrow? Plastic bags, I stop them. I rather pay the people, okay? Pay the people to stay home than manufacture plastic bags. I'll fill up all these farms with hemp farms just so I can have hemp productivity instead of using the wood that we use. Now, they say we should have a lot more solar power energy and all this, and I understand that. We need place to store the power. If you're making solar power, you need place to store it. Is that not correct? And other things will cause other effects that will go into the dump and that will be poison to us. Things have to be studied. But if things have to be changed, change them now. What's it going to cost? What's the price? What is the cost? We need people to eat. We need people to be able to sleep. We need people to be able to relax. We don't need chemtrails. We don't need more shit in our dumps. I'm sorry. But that's the end of the road, because we all know in 5 years we'll fix this. In 10 years we'll fix that. We'll just fix it in the future. Not the present. We'll fix it in the future when it's a little damn too late. People are getting vaccines inside their bodies. You think we should be giving... How much money does the government save a year? Okay? By telling the people we need to give them the metal fillings with mercury and a minimum of mercury. It doesn't matter. It's no good. It's no good. Yes, I want to be Prime Minister of Canada. I want to be Premier just so I can sit up there. We don't need judges. We need judges to judge judges. We don't need this Kinder Morgan with this oil BS. Please, if there's a way to get me in there or anybody like me, let's do it. Let's do it. Raphael 7286 and a constellation of Pegasus. Thank you for watching this video.